Welcome everyone. This is my first wildlife photography video on YouTube ever. Some of you might know me from my TikToks or Instagram, but for those of you who don't know who I am, I'm a wildlife photographer based in Texas, and I actually live on a property right now that I like to photograph a lot. And as we are speaking, I am in a little marshy area waiting for a few birds or whatever happens upon this way to show its face so I can get some photos and videos of it. But enough blabbering about. Let's see what we can see. Well, I moved spots. The last place wasn't really panning out, but hopefully this place will do better. It's in the middle of a field surrounded by some trees, so hopefully there'll be a few birds that'll land on the edge. Well, that wasn't too bad for about 5 hours of sitting and waiting. Saw a few cardinals, a few American robins, what I think was a yellow rump warbler, but I'm not for sure. I didn't get a close enough look at it. I'll have to go back and look. All in all, not a bad sit in the woods, and not bad for a first video, I guess. And if y'all would be so kind as to leave a like and maybe a subscription, that'd be much appreciated. Help out the channel a lot. And yeah, thanks for watching everyone.